Hi there, welcome to Land Attic and our Land Attic calculator. Now, as you can see typing busily in the background is how we enter values on our land appraisal calculator, which is a tool which enables the landowner, agent or developer to assess the value of land on the basis of having a broad understanding of the costs of building single or multiple properties, parcels of land. Here we're just entering just some very simple basic numbers in, now into the affordable housing side of the calculation, which we now move into the next stage, which we start to enter our build costs. The appraisal is basically a brief calculation, a tool to understand the costs to input into a feasibility appraisal. There are notes which you can see where we're clicking on the information button and toggle on the calculator, and the appraisal can assist the purchaser or seller in establishing the purchase price of the land. We're now going through, say, construction abnormals. These are just indications and obviously specific to each project that you are involved in. This is built alongside Land Attic, which actually advertises land for sale for land promoters and agents, developers and self-builders. And this can be used to quickly assess the affordability of purchasing land for development or not. As you can still follow through the calculator, as it's tapping on in the background, we are now into sales and marketing, legal fees. These are all elements which form part of the costs for when you're looking to develop a parcel of land, and obviously, importantly, finance at the end. And these rates and everything all depends on specifics of a particular project. As you can see, the calculator is fully automated, easy to understand, and quickly establishes the viability to develop a parcel of land. And as we now go into the profit, which can be on sales or on cost, and also the acquisition costs, which are the assumed costs of actually purchasing the land. So obviously planning fees and surveying fees when you are trying to obtain planning permission for a development. It is not a valuation, but a quick appraisal of a development site's worth, and gives the user a unique opportunity to establish affordability before considering the purchase of the land. Alternatively, it's basically a guide for an agent or landowner considering the sale of a parcel of commercial or residential development land. Now we've entered all the inputs, you can see we're entering into the full view, the full calculation, and this clearly sets out the summary of the calculation with the gross development value, the total costs, and then equating to the land value. Within the total cost is also the measure amount of profit that you achieve, and you'll see there that the total profit in this example is £700,000 based on the percentage, and then a breakdown of the land value per acre. You can then go on to edit the input, and then you can also print the calculation